Visiting Chungcheongnam-do this time for the policy discussion, President Yoon today spoke about lifting development restrictions that are in place due to military-related protections, so more of the land can be used for private purposes. Do-yeon reports.
The South Korean government is set to free 339 square kilometers of land from military installation protection zones for public and private development. President Yoon Suk Yeol announced this on Monday at Seosan Airbase in Chungcheongnam-do Province, while there for a policy discussion with citizens explaining that the government considered the demands of the public while also keeping national security in mind.
군사시설보호구역이 처음 도입된 것은 1970년대입니다. 그때와 지금은 많은 환경이 바뀌었습니다. 전국이 급격하게 도시화가 됐고 또 기술이 발전하면서 군과 우리 안보의 구조에도 큰 변화가 있었습니다.
Around the airbase alone, which is the country's biggest air force base, 141 square kilometers will be freed from the military protection zone. President Yoon added that with a new airport being built in the city of Seosan and the lifting of protection zones, he hopes that the province can utilize the land to promote projects that the local government deems to be the best. The decision comes less than a week after Yoon's announcement to lift greenbelt restrictions as well. With the two development restrictions gone in the region, Yoon says he has high hopes for the region.
그동안 충남은 자동차, 디스플레이 등 우리 주력 산업을 키워왔고 자체 발광 OLED를 세계 최초로 양산해 냈습니다. 지금 충남은 아산만을 중심으로 서해안 산업 핵심 기지가 되겠다는 비전을 가지고 있습니다.
He also pledged to create industrial complexes in cities nearby. And as Chungcheongnam-do Province is home to the headquarters of the Army, Navy, and Air Force, he will create a cluster for the defense industries centered in Nonsan.
지금 그 논산에 추진 중인 국방 미래기술 연구센터 그리고 태안에 추진 중인 드론 연구개발 활주로 테스트베드 요거는 지금 사타가 진행 중인데 마무리되는 대로 신속하게 추진할 것입니다.
In addition, at the discussion were also local residents who spoke of the needs of the people living outside the capital region. For example, one resident shared her excitement over the new National Police Hospital opening in Asan, which would be open to civilians as well. In addition, parents and students requested that the local education system be improved. Do-yeon, Arirang News.